All right, girly, I'm going to do this real quick for you for science. So I'm going to modules and week 2 agenda. Yesterday you needed to, I'll just kind of go over the week for you. So yesterday it asked you to click on this SimScopepedia to read, and it'll open it up for you as a PDF. You have to open it up down here. So it asks you to read through this. And then there was a quick quiz over it, just a couple questions to ask. On today, you created your poster already, and then clicking on Tuesday, 4/14/20, and we have, give me a moment, I gotta go backwards here. There we go. There we go. See, we're all learning this technology thing. Okay, let me fast forward again. I'm on week 2. There we go. Okay, so I'm clicking on Tuesday, and I'm going to submit assignment. So here's your text entry. This is where you're going to add your picture. Now remember, I asked you to do a picture first on your Chromebook. So to do that, type in over here on search your camera. I think you know how to find your camera. Pull up the camera. Hold up your picture. Oh, it's me. Hi. So, but you hold up your picture. So if this was my picture, my poster, I'm going to hold it up so where I can see it. There we go. Click on picture. Done. I want to make sure it saves. So there's my picture that I just took. I'm going to come here to share. And you can share it or save it. Oh, it'll be under your photos. So it's now all under your photos. So I'm going to go back to my canvas and I'm going to find this little picture image. I'm going to open up Canvas and I need to upload my file. So click on Files and Upload. I'm going to go over here to Pictures and find my picture. It's under Camera Roll. So there's my poster. Open. There's my picture there, and then simply scroll down and click Add Picture. It doesn't show on my screen, but it'll show. So there's my poster. So then if you want to add anything over here, you can type something and then just submit assignment. And there we go. Okay, if that doesn't work and you're still catching something, let me know. And you guys can send it to me through ClassDojo. Mom, I can give you my phone number again. You can text it to me. I know this is all new for everybody, so I don't want you to stress about it. I'm going to go over the rest of the week. So Wednesday, here's a quick video. Let me know if the videos aren't working for some reason. Technology is just not in my favor today either. So this wasn't working for some people. And then there's a quick video here over a quick question. So you're going to create a video for me on your own experiment. So this is something like an activity that you get to do. So this video is over gravity. So then I wanted you to create an experiment over gravity, a pencil falling, a water bottle and a bouncy ball falling, something like that. So when you click on Wednesday, it'll open up here and it says to create your video or take a picture of your own gravity experiment, however you want to do it. This website gives you examples that you can follow. So if I click that, it'll open up my website. And these are just experiments that you can follow along with. Or you can search your own up on the internet, however you want to find it. But then to do that, you click Submit Assignment, and you're going to do Media. So this is where you click Record Media, and you're going to record a video for me. So start recording. There I am. Hi. I'll record my video, and then down here you'll submit it. There we go. So after you record it, it lets you submit to me that video. Submit assignment, and good to go. Let me go back, leave. Thursday, I already made you a video on how to get to STEM scopes, so you'll do that. And then Friday, there's a quick review game again on STEM scopes and a Friday discussion board question. Okay? So hopefully this video will help kind of ease your mind a little bit. Again, if there are any questions, I'm on again here at 2 o'clock. The video I sent out earlier, but I can't show you that. On my math page, on the home page, it gives you here. So I'll be on again at 2. If you have any other questions, you can save it for that time and I'll join in and you can ask again. So we're always here for you. Let me know what you mean.